everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into Socrative Student account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to log in to Socrative Student account, first open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in socrative.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official site. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login button. Now, in the pop-up that appears, select Student Login option. Remember that students don't need to create an account, so they can connect to teachers quickly by simply entering their room name that has been provided by their teacher. Simply enter the room name and click the join button. Once the students join the teacher's room, they will be able to participate in all of the activities that are launched. And that is how you'll be able to log into Socrative Student account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.